Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can log into Minecraft in your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, you'll have to get to the Minecraft. You can either use your mobile application or get to the browser. For now, I'm going to get to the browser. So open your Safari, and from here you can now tap on the search bar and then start typing minecraft.net. So after searching for minecraft.net, this will get you to this particular web browser right here. And from here, you can see a menu bar on the top right. Tap on it, and then you can tap on account. And in here, you can see the option of sign in. Simply tap on sign in. And then here, you can get the option of sign in with Microsoft. So tap on this option right here. And then from here, you can now enter the email or the phone number or Skype that is linked with your Microsoft account and your Minecraft account. So after entering your email address or your phone number, simply tap on the next button right here. So after doing so, here you can see it is asking for my biometrics. So if you have entered any kind of fingerprints, your Face ID or PIN or security key, you can simply tap on continue and go with that. Since I have set my Face ID in it, I can simply tap on continue and simply verify my Face ID and get logged in that way. So there can also be the option of adding down the password of your Microsoft account. So if you are asked for the password, you can simply type in the password and then tap on sign in. So for now, here you can see I'm using my Face ID, so I'm going to tap on continue. And just like this, my Face ID has successfully been verified. Then you'll get to this page, which says that if you want to stay signed in so that you don't have to sign in again and again. So if you want that, you can tap on yes, or if you don't want that, you can tap on no. For now, I'm going to go with no. And just like this, here you can see I have now successfully been logged into my account. If you tap on this menu bar right here, you can see if you tap on account, you can see this is my username and I have successfully been logged into my Minecraft account in my iPhone. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.